Hey Paris, good afternoon. It is like almost 1 p.m. now, Jamaica time. So good afternoon, good morning. And you know, I always want it to be good night when it reaches to you where you can lay back in a bed and can see what going on. Let me show you what going on outside there. So raining since about 9 a.m. So I am indoors. It's all rain. I never see rain in April at Jamaica. So my lime tree out there. So it have a few limes. I have one tour if you show now where Roxy do. You tear down the whole of my little tomato farm. So that is what is happening on this Thursday afternoon. It's raining. I feel cool though. Feel good. So I'm starting the vlog late because I want to share something with you all before it's finished for the vlog. I maybe might make it be the ending part of the vlog. So look here. I hope wherever you are, you're doing good. You're taking it easy. Taking it easy means that if you have a grind, you have a grind. You got to do what you got to do. But still taking it easy. Doing what you got to do and taking it easy. You see what I'm saying? You know, hope you just make sure say you don't make nobody come stress out your soul. Make sure you open your eye them. Make sure you're being vigilant. Make sure you're being wise. Making sure you're being a good boy or a good girl. I'm always telling you, when you're good, it doesn't matter who don't want to be good to you. It doesn't matter. Don't care. You don't care about that. Make that be someone else's, the higher calling business. Because let me tell you, when you're good, good pays off. When you're a good person, a warm-hearted person, it pays off. I'll share something with you before the vlog is over. It won't be a long one because, you know, I started out like in the afternoon. But look, it doesn't matter when. It doesn't matter when. It is about that we are a family. You know, so it doesn't matter when, what time I start sharing my day with you. So look here, me, I go look about some food. So in the next clip, I'm at the door now, the kitchen door, I'm looking on the outside. So in the next clip, I go and jump around, do what I can do. I go cook some chicken, and I don't know if I curry yet, or I don't like stewed chicken, so maybe brown stew or curry. Show you when I panka for dinner in the rain, yeah. And when rain fall, you're hungry, you know. Yeah, you're hungry more than ever. Not true. Please comment. Comment you all. So, starting out right now. So, in the next clip, yeah, things are going to warm up. See? So, paaree. See me just check back in how we do now. Yeah, my chicken season up here, so, see there? About 4 pounds of chicken this, yeah. I'm going to left dinner for them kids, them young people. So me much here now. Me, I paaree. Me know so no know this and me get lala curry. Yeah. But me and this lala, me turn on the stove and me and lala now. Lala now going good to me, you know me already, you know. So me now find a little curry here, because you all been asking me on the cooking channel if I can find any curry. Yes, I can find curry, but me not gonna recommend them to you, because me try them and them not ready. As I tell you, me up on the downside of curry, because me can't get none of my regular curry. Them like from all long now, a couple months now. So me see this in other something. Now do an advertisement for them. But you can't say I just like somebody just a try a little thing. Because you can't say it has a label. But the packaging all that, you know. So it look like somebody just start out, you know. So this curry, this little packet here, is like this is not 4 ounces. This feel like about 2 ounces. I don't even know if I use that scale yet. I don't want to weigh it for sure now. But my next scale pan there, okay. Me have to wait for show no paaree. Me no want to tell no lie, you know. Same thing me say. It's less than 2 ounces. Me no wait, you know. Because I'm the born and grow with my people and did have shop. It's less than 2 ounces. I mean I have on my glasses to say how much them say it is. It's less than 2 ounces. So this curry say it is Indian curry. And make we say a 2, but it's less than 2 ounces. And this is $315 and curry in Jamaica attract tax 16.5%. So you know that I go carry me in a pretty near $400. So if me I go get 2 ounces of curry in Jamaica, fee almost $400. I think it's supposed to go there. So me I go over here, so me I go put some of it. And then say Indian curry. Me I put that. And me I go put little lala too. Lala smells nice, but the color, I mean still look like me I go have problem. Look. Cause it and the lala, tell you boy, it and the lala paaree have the same ugly color. So you know the curry chicken now come out good. It and the lala have the same color. So me I try burn it. And experimenting and put a more of the other one. That's the thing why I can't take. And that is why me have to call them Whitfield curry. You see it? I throw a little more and it don't look too bad. So me I go and burn it. See it? Keep go and stay there burn the little. See it? Paaree, so me I show now. You know long? And now get it fried. You see it more if it turn black? Me I tell you them curry, you have to be careful. Normally my regular curry, I turn off this because I like it too hot. I try to get it burned. You see this blackish, brownish color where it come with? So you know it's a no-no curry. It is the one when me buy too. Because if it did good, you see I'm telling you. Look at it. Look at it, Paaree. Camera girl, fix the camera. How many are you all when you burn your curry you get? This is gonna turn. I don't even think I'm gonna use it. I'm not sure if I want to use it. Because everybody ever ask me what kind of curry it is. You see what I'm showing? Comment, Paaree, comment. When I burn my regular curry, this is not the color I get. Why am I getting this color? This is the color that Lala gives me. And then I will put another curry with it. And then this is still what I get. Not good. You know, comment and tell me how to find Lala. Because somebody said them use Lala with garam masala and something else. But let me tell you something. You see, from you burn the curry, from you burning the curry, me show you. I want to watch on the cooking channel. I want to watch all the while how me do curry. You go coat up now. You go see what happens. See me a coat up. Nothing like my color, original color curry. And this one is Indian curry. Almost $400 for less than 2 ounces. Y'all think about this? Comment and tell me if you get any of them curry. But when you cook them, you find out, say, look at this. I'm going to coat up my meat here, you know. You see when this done cook, you know where this I got on? Whitfield curry. Whitfield curry in a Debbie kitchen. And guess what? Debbie now have a bit of it. So when you see me back, you will see where Debbie are going to do Whitfield curry and Debbiedebs train. You see it? I was just like, I got this and I was trying it. But I've tried it already and I found out that when the curry cook it come black. So I said this is an Indian. This one the color never look bad. I never smelled it. Nothing now go on here so. Spice and flavor. Nothing now go on here so. Lala have good flavor. But Lala na no color, Lala na no taste. So I put them together, you see. So you see what I'm telling you about good curry. You see? Because I can't get none of my curry. So I'm trying to do something. It just doesn't work. I want you to comment and tell me if you ever get the curry them and when you burn it and put it. Notice, let me tell you something. Once you see you start burning the curry and it's not giving you that, you know, that rigorous frothing, it's not good. So, Paaree, watch what me do when this happen. Me I put some soy sauce, my phone a ring. Put up a soy sauce. Me soon come back to you, you hear? This is not, put the camera on the me. This is not the cooking journey. This is Debbiedebs. You don't know, say a fluid thing over here, so where we par. When you see that happen to you, and I think I should do this video, what you all think for the Jamaican cooking journey? You just put some soy sauce on it, and you see that pretty little color the way it give me, put a little more. As the curry done, it's not going to go anywhere, it's not going anywhere. So what I normally do, I just put little soy sauce, and then you know it's not curry chicken again. We don't know what kind of chicken it be. When camera girl see it a while ago, paaree, she said, well, mom, it's going to be stew chicken, stew curry chicken for dinner. But still, you see that ugly color, and you put little soy sauce on it. You see it pretty? Come on. I'm going to start this round. Yeah, go and get my water up and something. And I'm going to salt it out. And when I come back, we're going to see. So you see now that happened, I forgot to put a little carrot and a little cabbage with it. Because this is clearly not curry chicken. But look here, when you see me back, as me roll, telling us I start late and we are going to end it everything. Because I still have something to share with you all. Because you know, say yes, so we share and yes, so we care. And make sure say on a laugh from morning. Make sure say you send a little thing go give a little sister and make sure laugh. Make sure say your sister send something and you say, make sure you find a little bestie, one or two, and your sister talk and laugh. Yeah, you learn it right here. You see what Lala do it with and sitting, but make sure you have, don't use browning, you know. Don't use browning, please. You know, me soon check in back, we don't know with the finished thing, yeah. Alright, look at this, look here. Wanna see what I go on this way, you know. See? You see color it? So you have to just use a little soy sauce. But it end up look like you can't go and eat. But this clearly isn't curry chicken. Paaree, look a bit, look a more. So paaree, see what I put in there, but I dad cut up them, but dad cut them up too small. Me the one and cut a little bigger. So I put a little hot water to the side there, so and see if I can go and grate it down, because them are not going to take long for cook, because I cut them up too small. So as some me affair do for bring out little color. You see the carrot and the Irish, bring it out. You know see the black gravy, ma? Yeah. You see the black curry, you see the black gravy part, not black, brown. You see the brown gravy? Clearly, this is how you correct the workless. This is a part of correcting the workless curry when there is no alternative, you know. Because it don't make no sense you add no more. This is another way of correcting the workless curry. Huh? Yeah. Workless curry paaree. But look here. When you see me back again, it I go finish and plate up. See? I go taste some of it. I see me not ready for taste yet. I put a butter and sitting. Because I the kind of eat one small taste, but you know it looks so hot to me. Taste so hot. So they come more, I go show you the finish I eat. Finishing I eat. Yeah. So paaree, dinner is served. This is for dad. I don't know how I'm going to like it. This is for son, and I'm going to put all the ketchup on top of this. This is for Kimmy. She don't want no more grease, and she don't want the carrot and then something. The paaree, I don't have them kind of family to where everybody eat different. None of that stuff for my girl, because she not so enthused by that curry. She not night, so she's not finished none for her. So this is mine. I feel hungry. So this is for me, this is for dad, camera son, and this is for Kimmy. Camera girl, you not too like the curry? She said she don't tell the people them not talk from behind the camera.
No, I don't like the way it looks.
Yeah, she said because she too we always have a rich, pretty color curry, and she love curry, you know, and dumpling and so. So she said, Mom, never had a dish done for me. So paaree, you know, tell me, oh, I saw the curry turn out, you know, this brownish color something. But to God be the glory, we have dinner, we have food to eat. Camera girl, I could go over here, so I come go on the touring now. So when I see what I go on over here, so I move them as something and make sure I want to in the tour, you know. I want to in the tour. Can I tell you, say, see over the channel now? This is not no regular, this is like me on a par. Me on but that's a paaree, me tell you now. So see the tour here? This was a paaree. She came and she come look for me. She told me, she keep telling me, girl, just like when you hear me telling you, girl, I may say a real girl. Girl, because some paaree with my real paaree, them have a surprise your face. So she came down and her mom 90th birthday and all of that and so. But look here, I'm not going to keep on a suspense no more. I love her. It's Laverne. She's in the comment section. I'm going to big up Laverne. when I go down there, I want to go up on my Instagram, Debbiedebs_2, when we see foreign and Jamaican apparel. I go see two of we post up the like 66. Go check her out, you'll see Laverne. Laverne, manners and respect, blessings to you and your family. And she come, me say, when I go paaree, when I link with Laverne, and she come with something, I say, well, I must say one pot set, you know? Come here, say, Laverne keep telling me, say she have this big surprise. Me couldn't think, say, this paaree, I couldn't think, say, this. To God be the glory. When you do good, good comes back around. And I must say, Laverne, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Paaree, when somebody think about you in such a way, it's the first I've been meeting Laverne. First I meet Laverne. And this is the surprise that she had for me. She's right here. She's on the Jamaican cooking journey. And she's on the Debbiedebs train. And Laverne, in the thing, she said all the scale, the digital scale. Paaree, Laverne, dep on the thing. Show her some love in the comment section. Show Laverne some love in the comment section. So you know what I got? I'm supposed to be baking, you know. Because look here, my passion is not cooking in the Paarees. I don't know if I've said it. My passion is baking. So look here, I'm baking now, you know. I'm so blessed. I'm just giving thanks. And I want to thank you all so much for your love. Thank you for your support. Those of you who are reaching or have reached out to me beyond YouTube, on YouTube, okay? Thank you so much. There are others. I asked her permission. I said, Laverne, can I share it? She said, that's okay, Debbie, share it. Some people want to stay low-key and we have to respect them for that. So look here, those who still not give me nothing, not say nothing. My love, you know, me and no paaree, that are not my problem. But also love. Some people, everybody's just different. Like she saw the need. And she said, look what she said, look what she do. She said, me see, say, you have all the grey, this, and the grey, the kitchen aid, blender, and the food processor. That was really thoughtful of her sister. Blessings. Laverne come right in her kitchen here. When she come in a year, where the girl Jessie there, real paaree. I could show some love to Laverne. I've showed her love and I've thanked her so much. Let us all as sisters, as paarees, show some love to Laverne because God not for me alone, you know. I feel it. So look here, may I go in it right here so now, you know, and make sure say look here. On not stress out on yourself. I told you all, just be strong. I know a lot of you might be going through things, but just try to lift. Find somebody and lift them spirit and make them lift your spirit. Nobody will come to you with no whole heap of down thing. Because look here, we don't need this down thing, especially when we are getting into my age and going down. Down is not what we need. We need upliftment. Life is as challenging as it is today. Today in a paaree. Every day I get up is a different challenge, you know. So somebody that can send you a kind word, a little laughter, a little text, it makes sense. Can I tell you something? That dish that I did and I posted on the Jamaican cooking journey last night, I've been getting tons and tons and tons of pictures coming in on WhatsApp, Instagram to me where people have made it. It's a very quick, nice little, you know, a little woman friendly dish in the week. People are loving it. I'm loving it. Loving it. This is what this little vlog is all about today. And like I tell you something, I'm so proud. I feel so good. Come on, girl, you know, feel good. You go Laverne, manners and respect. Please show us some love, you all paaree, in the comment section. Thank you so much. I saw where you have showed Merle some love. Thank you all so much. Love you. Love you. And no matter how much I love you, I'm not left without me telling you. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. I'm telling you something. I want to hear about the workless curry if this ever happened to you, the curry turn brown. Please to comment in the comment section.